How to make a video in slow motion on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here, you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now, you can choose a time limit for your video as shown. For example, select 15 seconds. This means that the video will only record for 15 seconds. Then, tap on the speed icon to choose a speed for the video. If you want to record a video in slow motion, then tap on 0.5x or 0.3x. Now, tap and hold the capture button to record a video. You have now successfully recorded the video in slow motion. After that, tap on Next at the bottom. Here, you can add a caption and manage other video settings. Then tap on Post at the bottom right corner to post this video on TikTok. Following these steps, you can easily make a video in slow motion on TikTok.